Master the digital fabric of our world and bridge the gap between complex hardware and high-performance global connectivity. Gain the foundational mastery needed to architect the resilient networks that power our most critical infrastructure. Master 14 core chapters of communication, deploy professional physical infrastructure, and implement complex routing configurations at scale. Elevate your career as a network systems engineer, entering a high-growth field with a lucrative salary potential. Move past disorganized downtime and step into a future of seamless, scalable networks built for peak enterprise performance. Accelerate your learning through 119 objectives, over 100 hands-on labs, and rigorous assessments designed for total mastery. Secure your lifetime access today and build the specialized skills that define the modern backbone of technology. If you require further assistance or have questions about your enrollment, please reach out to our dedicated support team.